Kids spend over 4 hours a day watching TV, and by 4th grade, 1 out of 3 are not reading at grade level. But what if they did more than just click and watch?
What's up, Doc?
Now your kids can click and learn with Looney Tunes Click and Read Phonics. Now world-class characters meet first-class education. And introducing Professor Whizbot, teaching kids how to read one click at a time.
I gave a flower to my mother.
Good job.
What I really like is that the Looney Tunes Click and Read Phonics teaches the same curriculum I teach.
Based on the highly acclaimed Click and Read Phonics program used in schools nationwide, Looney Tunes Phonics is now available to you at home with 100 online reading lessons from kindergarten to 3rd grade, from beginning letter sounds to full sentences and storytelling.
I even read to my little sister.
And all new animation made just for Looney Tunes Phonics. Looney Tunes Phonics is based on the best-in-class, multi-award-winning reading curriculum. It's so easy, kids can do it on their own, and it's so much fun. They won't want to stop.
My kids are really learning and reading. I'm so proud.
I love reading.
What I like about Looney Tunes Phonics is that it's all online, and it's easy enough for him to access on his own. So he's not only learning, he's also having fun.
It's easy. No CDs, no downloads. It's all online to start reading right now.
Well, what do you know?
Join the fun at trylooneytunesphonics.com or call the number on your screen.
And your child can get started with Looney Tunes Click and Read Phonics, and a 30-day risk-free trial is yours to try for $9.95. That's not all. You'll get easy-to-use progress reports that let you see your child's progress online anytime. And we guarantee your child will learn to read or your money back, so it's risk-free.
Looney Tunes Phonics is improving his reading and his self-esteem.
Looney Tunes Click and Read Phonics, teaching kids one click at a time.
You must be 18 years or older to order online or call.